Good morning, boys and girls. I'm happy to see you this morning. I hope you guys are okay. May God bless you all. Today in our science class, we're going to talk about wetlands. Our big question is, how do plants and animals live in water environment? Now that's a big question. How do plants and animals live in water environment? Now, I pretty sure know that all of you guys been around Utila Island and you have seen a lot of wetland around. And I'm pretty sure that you've seen all kind of different animals that lives in the wetland. Well, today we're going to talk about two basic wetlands. As you can see here, the first one that I'm going to point here with the arrow on the computer is swamp. So we're going to talk about swamp environment. Swamp is a wetland, okay? Wetland. And as you guys know, Utila is surrounded with swamp. And I pretty sure know that each one of you had the opportunity to go around and get in the swamp or see all kind of different animal that lives in the swamp. Now, a swamp environment. Swamp environment. Swamps are wetland, okay? A swamp has soft mud. It has many trees. And it also has a lot of different kinds of animals. As you can see here in the picture that I have here, this is a swampland. And as you can see, we have a lot of trees around it, okay? And we have a few different types of animals that you can see that lives in the swampland. What kind of animals did you ever see in the swampland? I pretty sure know that you've seen small little crabs. Yes, they lives in the swampland. Also, frogs. Frogs loves the swampland. We also have salamanders. The salamanders loves to be in the swampland too. And snakes. Ooh. You know Miss Carla don't like snakes, but snake likes to live in the swampland too. Now we have to be very careful and not trying to go in the swampland without somebody bigger than you, because it can be dangerous. Because some of these animals that lives in swamplands can be poisonous. So you have to be very careful. Also, in swamplands, we have alligators and crocodiles that they likes to live there, okay? So you have to be very careful. Alligators are very good swimmers. They swim very fast. You know that they has a long tail. Well, they uses their tail to swim and to help them move around. They are very strong, so that's why it's not very suggested for you to be around a swampland by yourself. You also need somebody bigger than you to guide you and to be with you, okay? So as you can see, we have in a swampland, we also have different types of birds that lives there, okay? So let's review. Swampland has very soft mud, a lot of water, a lot of plants, and a lot of animals. Swamplands are a little bit dangerous. It's not necessary for you to be there by yourself, okay? Now over here on this side, we have ocean environment. I know you guys likes to swim a lot. So I have a picture here with ocean environment. As you can see, it's full of corals. Well, also we have animals and plants that lives in the ocean. Ocean environment is also a wetland, okay? An ocean is a large body of salty water. Is where sometimes you go to refresh yourself when you're very hot and to distract yourself, and you swim a lot. Some parts of the ocean are very deep, so it's not good for you to go by yourself. You also need the help of an adult to help you and to get there, okay? Because sometimes you can probably go deeper and deeper, and if you don't know how to swim, you can probably get drowned, okay? So that's why it's very necessary for you to go with adult. Fish lives in ocean environment, and we have all kinds of different types of fish. As you can see, and I pretty sure know you guys, talks about sharks, whales, manta ray, all kind of different animals, red fish, rockfish, butterfish. It's all different kind of fish, parrotfish. And I know you guys like to go fishing. So remember that oceans are a very large body of salty water that gathers a lot of different species of different kinds of fish, okay? Turtles also lives in ocean. And we have the corals that's part of our beautiful island. And what can we do? What can we do to take good care of our corals and our ocean and our swampland? Okay, you know the rules. Number one, don't throw no garbage in the sea or in the land or on the wetlands, because a lots of animals live there. And remember, Jesus said that everything he created was beautiful and good. So that means that we have to take care of what God created for us. Ocean is very necessary for us to take care because all kind of different animals lives there. We're not supposed to throw plastic in the sea because you know, guys, when you throw a plastic bag, a turtle confuses it for his food and he eats it, and then he gets sick and he dies. So we have to take care of our environment. Now remember, how do plants and animals live in water environment? Everybody was created to live in different habitats, in different environments. I cannot take a fish out the water for him to live. No, he will die. He needs to be in his own habitat, in his environment. So remember, guys, take care of what God created for us. Today in your activity, you're gonna draw a swampland and an ocean, and you're gonna draw animals or stick pictures of animal that lives in each environment. Thank you guys for paying attention. I hope you guys learn. And if you have any questions, you can contact me by my WhatsApp or you can call me. Have a nice day. Bye.